Easily share charter trip details with your clients using MyTrip. Your client is interested in a booking and wants to know the details? Provide all the charter information in just a few seconds, directly from the system, neatly packed in a single MyTrip message. Base location details, crew list updates, optional extras, outstanding balance information, and any charter documents are now available instantly. Here's how it works. Open the Booking Manager web application and navigate to Bookings. Select the option or booking for which you want to communicate the information. Click the My Trip link button and enter the client's phone number, including the international prefix. Your client will immediately receive an SMS with the link and the PIN code to access and edit MyTrip. Once the client logs into MyTrip, they can easily view base location details displayed with Google Maps and have check-in and check-out time on hand. Clients can also fill out and update their crew list. In case any crew information is missing, MyTrip will automatically create an alert. Additionally, with displayed optional extras to add to the booking, MyTrip creates an opportunity to upsell additional services that will instantly be added into calculation once they're selected. Any outstanding balance is showcased in MyTrip, allowing clients to easily complete the payment and helping you to increase your cash flow. Finally, the client can download or upload necessary charter documents, such as required licenses or booking confirmation. Best of all, any updates made on MyTrip are instantly visible in Booking Manager, keeping everything streamlined and up to date in real time.